In this video, I will explain the requirements you must meet in order to be eligible to sit for the CPA exam and be licensed as a CPA in Alabama State. So, keep watching! Hey future CPAs, this is Ala Abudaya. I'm a licensed CPA in the state of Colorado and I help students pass the CPA exam and become CPAs. If this is your first time here and you're interested in becoming CPAs, start by subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell in order not to miss any of my videos. To qualify to apply to sit for the CPA exam in Alabama, there are certain requirements you must meet. Comment below and tell me if you are planning to sit for the CPA exam in Alabama. To be eligible to apply to sit in Alabama, you must be at least 19 years old, which I think most of you should meet. And also, you must be of good moral character. In addition, you must be a citizen of the United States, or if not a citizen of the United States, a person who is legally present in the United States with appropriate documentation from the federal government. Also, you are required to have a social security number for licensing purposes. With that said, Alabama is not suitable for international candidates who are not US citizens. If you want other state options that are suitable for US candidates, watch this video which I gave some options. Now, with respect to the educational requirements you must meet to sit for the CPA exam in Alabama, you must have completed a minimum of a baccalaureate degree with at least 120 semester hours from an accredited college or university with a concentration in accounting or its equivalents. Quarter credit hours are also accepted and are equivalent to 2/3 of a semester hour. So, for example, 6 quarter credits must be timed by 2/3, so they will be equivalent to 4 semester hours. In order to be considered having a concentration in accounting or its equivalents, you must satisfy any one of these two alternatives. The first alternative you may have is that you shall have completed at least 24 semester credit hours in accounting, excluding the introductory courses, and also 24 credit hours in business courses at the undergraduate or graduate level, including courses like economics, legal and social environment of business, business law, marketing, finance, individual behavior, quantitative application in business, communication skills, and business ethics. The second alternative, which fulfills Alabama educational requirements, is that you shall have been awarded a graduate degree in accounting from a program that is accredited in accounting by the American Assembly of Collegiate Schools of Business or comparable accrediting organization recognized by the Alabama Board of Accountancy. Does that make sense? If you studied outside the United States, then you must send your academic credentials for evaluation by NASPA, International Evaluation Services. Comment below and tell me if you meet these educational requirements. So these are the requirements to apply to sit for the CPA exam in Alabama. An important note I want to mention here is that this state does not allow you to sit for the CPA exam in international locations, so you must sit only in the United States. To learn the step-by-step process to apply and schedule your CPA exams, make sure to get your CPA exam cheat sheet. It's in the link below, in the description below. It is totally free, so make sure to get this cheat sheet, which I give you step-by-step process to apply to your CPA exam and schedule the exam. So make sure to get this sheet. Concerning the licensing requirements, they are different from the exam requirements. To learn more about the difference between the CPA exam requirements and the licensing requirements, make sure to watch this video, which I explain these differences. To be able to be licensed in Alabama State, you must meet the 4 E requirements, which are E number 1, education. Alabama requires you to have a minimum of 150 credit hours of post-secondary education to be licensed and not 120 hours as required to sit for the CPA exam. The 150-hour requirement must be fulfilled within a 36-month period from the time you pass all the 4 parts of the exam. These 150 hours must include a total of 33 semester hours in accounting courses above the introductory level and a total of 27 semester hours in business courses, including the following subject areas: economics, legal and social environment of business, business law, marketing, finance, organization, group and individual behavior, quantitative applications in business, communication skills, and business ethics. Keep in mind that if you do not meet these educational requirements within the 36 months limit period, the credit for all the CPA exams will expire. So make sure to be in time. The second E you must meet for licensing is passing the 4 parts of the CPA exam. To learn more about the 4 parts of the CPA exam, watch this video which I explained about these 4 parts. And to get more tips and tricks to pass the 4 parts of the CPA exam, watch these 4 videos which I gave tips and tricks to pass the FAR part, audit part, RIG part, and BEC part. The third E you must meet for licensing is the ethics exam. So you must pass the AICPA Professional Ethics exam. The fourth E you must meet is the experience. You must have 1 year of public accounting or 2 years in a qualifying accounting position in industry, business, government, or college teaching. Your experience must be verified in writing by your employer. With that said, make sure you fulfill this experience requirement to be approved for licensing. Comment below and tell me if you meet the 4E requirements or not. Watch this video to learn my CPA exam success story. And get my CPA exam success book from Amazon today. It's in the link below. So go ahead and get this book. In this book, I explain how I was able to pass the CPA exam despite the difficulties I faced in my life and how my study schedules and study plans exactly looked like. So go ahead and get this book. The link is in the description below. Once you read the book, please go ahead and give it a short review on Amazon. I will be very thankful for you. I want to add that Alabama is a 2-tier state, which means that when you pass the 4 parts of the exam, a certificate will be issued if you meet the 150-hour requirement for licensure. However, a license to practice will be issued when the experience requirement is completed. My next video will be about Florida CPA exam requirements, so make sure to subscribe to this channel to get this video. Watch this video to get tips to increase your CPA exam score and this video to study smarter for the CPA exam. Remember, go after what you want, pass the CPA exam because you can become CPAs and save the world.